Hello everyone, my name is Darshan Kumar from first year CSC branch. My startup company name is Etherworks. Present product name is Backpack. Proposed name is SmartPad. Mentioning some of the requirements and feelings about the product as said by the customers during the emphasizing activity. Power bank to charge someone's phone during longer trips. Second, fingerprint sensor for extra safety. Based on the emphasizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name, Backpack. Futuristic product name, SmartPad. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. First one, power bank. Second one, fingerprint sensor. Third one, small solar panels. Fourth one, inbuilt GPS. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint, the mentor advised us to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request all the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.